that airplane through the night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. That airplane through the night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, a wish right now, a wish right now. Can we pretend that airplane through the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, a wish right now, a wish right now.
And it seems like yesterday, it was just a dream. But those days are gone, they're just memories. And it seems like yesterday, it was just a dream. But those days are gone. Let's pretend, also not the step of paper from pay. Let's pretend, things would have been no different. Pretend he procrastinated, had no motivation. Pretend he just made excuses up for some paper thing. Then you blow it with the ring. All she can never gonna make you make persist to play the game, name the way that you win. Pretend he just stayed outside playing, play with his friends. Pretend he even had a friend, his name was his friend. And it wasn't time to move his group would change it again. He wasn't socially awkward and just raised as a kid. He had a father and his mother wasn't crazy as shit. And he never dreamed he could rent stadiums and just crazy as shit. Walking down the show in his gymnasium, bitch. You want him out the shit, quick daydreaming kid. You need to get your cranium check. You thinking like an alien and just ain't realistic. They just making angry with this shit. And there was no one he could even aim when he's pissed it. He has a long one up to waking, but he didn't make it to the rap Olympics after his plane and he missed it. He used to have a hard time explaining the alien lane and his boots in for his weak shit. Cause he never wished it. He hoped and he wished it, but it didn't fall in his lap. So he ain't even eat. He pretends that a wish right now, a wish right now, a wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, a wish right now, a wish right now. I know you probably hear this every day. I'm your biggest fan. I ain't got the underground shit that you did was scam. I got all of your posters and your pictures, man. I like that shit you did with Robbins too. That shit was bad. And anyways, I'm gonna do this, man. Get me back to the chat. Shoot it all the biggest fan. Come on, please don't go along to buy. Even if I could, it'll all out 24/7. She don't know me like I know you should. I wanna know. She don't know what it was like when people like us growing up. You know me, man. I'll be the biggest fan that ever was. Really understand. Yeah, we should be together.
Please don't fall, I'm wondering why.
Watch for rock and rap.